Maslow hierarchy theory. In order to better understand what motives human beings, Maslow proposed that human needs can be organized into a hierarchy. This hierarchy ranges from more concrete needs such as food and water to abstract concepts such as self-fulfillment. According to Maslow, when a lower need is met, the next need is on. The hierarchy becomes our focus of attention. What Maslow says is that there is a different kind of needs arises in different times of human behavior. So this should be organized in the hierarchy level. Starting from the basic needs to the self-regulation needs. So needs start from the basic things. Then it goes up. There are 5 categories of needs according to Maslow. One is physiological needs. Second is safety needs. Third is love and belonging needs. Fourth is esteem needs. And finally, self-actualization. So when we talk about physiological needs, the basic physiological needs are probably fairly apparent. This includes the things that are vital to our survival. So some example of physiological needs include food, water, breathing, and homeostasis. So without these needs, without food, without water, and without breathing, a human body, a human being cannot be survived. This is the basic needs which we are talking about. So any human being started their journey or started their life of these needs. So Maslow takes these needs as a basic and big in this hierarchy diagram is the first step of the need. Second comes security and safety needs. As we move up to the second level of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, the requirement starts to become a bit more complex. At this level, the needs for security and safety become primary. First the basic needs, now safety is the primary need. When you go to the next stage, people want control and order in their lives. So this need for safety and security contributes likely to behaviors at this level. Some of the basic security and safety needs include financial security, health and wellness, safety against accident and injury. So people are crossed one level of need. Now they are in a second level where they talk about financial security. They go for insurance policies, they go for mutual funds, they go for fixed deposit, they go for some bonds. So they talk about finance. First thing done, first thing they get their food, they get shelter, everything. Now they have to ask about what is my security, what is the safety. There is a good shelter, good house. They talk about health, they talk about wellness. So third, they talk about accident and injury. So marketers try to understand every steps, every phase of life needs change, needs transforms. So according to these needs, they design their products. Now they design about financial products because needs change. They design their health and wellness products. They talk about gym. They talk about fitness center. They go to the doctor's place. Taken their safety against insurance and accidents and injury. So take them health insurance policy. They buy some fire hazard. They take them some general insurance policies. They take the cover of their lives. In this stage, their needs are to protect their lives. So this is the second stage of Maslow hierarchy theory.